Okay, everyone, I'm here with a friend of mine, a fellow advocate. Share a little bit about you, your name, maybe your history a little bit.
Okay, so my name is Aimee Wisssman. I live in Columbus. I am formerly incarcerated. I did 5 years at Dayton, so if you know me, it's from there. What I'm trying to do now is network for people that are in reentry that are also artists. So opportunities to learn new skills like Photoshop and graphic design, studio space to work, hopefully some residencies, places you could live and work at the same time. Just all kinds of good stuff, grants, all that. So if you're into art and you're trying to find a way to do art professionally now that you're out, please look me up. Facebook, you can find me under Aimee Inks. You can find me on Instagram under Aimee Inks. You can find me on Facebook under Aimee Wisssman. I'm not super hard to find. If you Google me, you know what I mean, I pop up. So that's it.
Okay, so the best way to contact you is do you have an email that they could email you?
I do have an email. Is that, you think, the easiest way?
That's how a lot of people do. And then also the others will probably contact you through Messenger.
Okay, so Messenger is cool. If you want to do my email, it's kind of long, and I'm sorry. It's thought, so like the whole word, THOUGHTROT, rot at gmail.com. So thoughtrot@gmail.com.
Wow, maybe I shouldn't have said bring that up, but they
Oh, you think thought like thought?
Yeah.
No, it's very old. I had this email like a decade ago, and I was trying to make a counterculture magazine, and that was what I was going to call it.
So the moral of the story is inbox you on Messenger.
Inbox me on Messenger.
Or
I'm not a
Instagram.
thought. I am an artist. Find me.
Let's give her support.